Good day everyone. My name is John Sander Pazon, 19 years old, from Almeria, Biliran, and I am from base MT1 Alpha. Now I will be presenting the philosophical argument of the existence of God using irreducible complexity and fine-tuning of the universe. First is irreducible complexity. Irreducible complexity refers to a system composed of multiple interdependent parts, where removing any one part would make the system non-functional. This concept is often used in the context of biological systems to argue for intelligent design. For example, an nail cutter consists of multiple parts such as the cutting blades, the lever, and the pin. If you remove the lever, the cutter cannot exert enough force to trim nails. If you remove the pin, the lever detaches and becomes useless. If you remove the blades, it is no longer a nail cutter. If the nail cutter as a simple tool must have all its parts functioning together to work, if something as basic as a nail cutter requires intentional design, how much more is a biological system like the eye, the heart, or the brain? Just as the nail cutter requires an intelligent creator, irreducibly complex biological system suggests an intelligent designer, which is the God. Second one is the fine-tuning of the universe. Fine-tuning refers to the idea that universe physical constant and conditions are precisely calibrated to allow for life. The probability of this condition occurring by chance is as astronomical law. For example, this smartphone operates because of precise settings such as the correct voltage of battery, screen that responds to touch as the right sensitivity. If any of these aspects were randomly altered, the phone would not function. Smartphone is finely tuned for proper function. It didn't randomly assemble itself from electronic parts. The universe is far more finely tuned, with constants such as gravity, the strong nuclear force, and the speed of the light, all precisely set to allow life. If an intelligent designed smartphone requires a creator, then a fine-tuning of the universe is a strong evidence of an intelligent designer, which is the God.